Algebra half, lesson 120, page 378. This is all of your favorite stuff in the world. Volume of pyramids, cones, and spheres, and surface area of pyramids and cones. So first of all, we have volumes of a cone, a pyramid, and a sphere. Cones and pyramids. A cone has a circular base, goes up to a top, okay? It's enclosed in, if you will, I could enclose this pyramid. See the green right here is the pyramid, or cone rather. It's a flat cone. Somebody stepped on it or drove over it out in the parking lot. So it comes up to a point and it has a circular base, all right? A pyramid, in this case, has a rectangular base. It comes up to a point. It fits inside of this rectangular prism that has the same height. It's all square. This fits inside of this cylinder, all right? So to find the area of a cone, you do just like you would for a cylinder. Area of the base times the height, and then you divide it by 3. So it's the area of the base for a cone or a pyramid. It's area of the base times height divided by 3. Whatever the base is, find the area. So on this one here, to find the volume of this whole thing, area of the base is 12 times 6 times the height 10. Take that answer divided by 3. That's the pyramid. Over here, we'd find the area of the base, which is a circle radius of 10. So we'd go 3.14 times 10 squared times 10 squared times 4. That's the whole thing, and divided by 3, that's just the cone. Okay, so for this one here, we'd find the area of the cylinder that it is. It's pi times radius squared. 3.14 times radius squared, 10 squared times 4. That's the cylinder, the whole thing. The cone just divided by 3. Square that, multiply by that, divide by that. Okay? Over here, it's 4. Wow, I don't even know where that 4 came from. 12 times 6, that's the area of the base. Times 10 divided by 3, that's the pyramid. That takes off 2/3 of the thing. You divide by 3, that takes 2/3 away from it. A pyramid is 1/3 of the entire thing. The cone is 1/3 of the cylinder, if you will. All right, so volume of a sphere, super easy. Here's a formula. It's 4/3 times pi times radius cubed. Take the radius, cube it, times it by pi, times it by 4, divide by 3. There's your answer. The inside of a sphere, volume of a sphere. That's one you should probably write down so you can remember where it is. All right, the last thing we're going to do is the surface area of a cone or a pyramid. Surface area of a cone of a pyramid. Start with a cone. The surface area of a cone, we're not going to do the whole area of the base times 2 plus lateral surface area. Do it a little bit differently. Of a cone, you have two things. You have the lateral surface area, this piece around here, and you have one base, okay? So you find the area of the base, just like you normally would. This is a circle. Pi times radius squared. There's that. Then you add the lateral surface area. Lateral surface area of a cone is slant height times radius times pi. The slant height of this cone is from the peak to here. The height of the cone is down from the center to that. That's not what we want. We want the slant height, the height over here. So for this one here, to find the surface area, we'd go pi times radius squared. Okay, there's that. And then we would add the lateral surface area, which is pi times just the radius, not squared, not doubled, not anything, times the radius times the slant height. So we have pi times the radius times the slant height. This, do this, add them together. That's the surface area of a cone. For any kind of pyramid, the easiest way to do it is to take and find the sides of all the different sides, okay? So what you're going to do is you have, what they will give you on this one here. I'm pretty sure for right now, if they're going to give you one of these, when they give you this, they will give you this piece right here. That goes from the side, the outside edge, to the center. So if you take off that triangle, what you have is this. You have a triangle that looks like this. This is 12. That's all the way across. Okay? Let's see if that's 10. We'll make this, I don't know, what, about 13 right here. Just for fun. Make this 14. So this here is 14. That's the height of the triangle. It's from the side to the center, okay? I don't need this piece here, all right? And I don't even have that piece. I could find it. I don't need this piece here. I'm just going to take this triangle, and I find the area of that triangle. How many of them are there here? Well, since there's 4 sides on the bottom, there's 4 sides to this pyramid. So whatever this is times 4, because it has a rectangular base, and then find the area of the base, 12 times 6. So it would look like this. The numbers would look like this. Let's see. I'm going to get rid of this. So I'm looking for the surface area of this pyramid, right? So I have base 12 times 6, right? Plus, I'm going to take this triangle over here. It's going to be 12 times 14 divided by 2. And there are 4 of those sides. You understand? Find the triangle, times it by how many there are. If it's a triangular base, there'd be 3. Rectangular base, there's going to be 4. Pentagonal base, there'd be 5 of the triangles. Multiply by how many there are. Add the base. There's the surface area, the outside of all of them. Okay? And you could say, thank you, Jesus. They're not giving you the surface area of a sphere. It's just another formula, but they're not giving it to you right now. Remember, on a cone, though, it's the surface area, the lateral surface area, is the slant height times the radius times pi plus the area of the base. Pi times radius squared.